Hello everyone. In the last class we discussed Laplace transform of elementary functions. In that we discussed three. The first one is Laplace transform of a, that means Laplace transform of constant, and Laplace transform of e raised to at, and next one is Laplace transform of cos h t. Here today we will discuss Laplace transform of sin h at, that is Laplace transform of sin h at. We know that sin h at is equal to e raised to at minus e raised to minus at divided by 2. Here use the result of sin h at, that is e raised to at minus e raised to minus at divided by 2, which is equal to, here 1 by 2 is constant, take outside, we get Laplace transform of e raised to at minus Laplace transform of e raised to minus at, then is equal to 1 divided by 2. Laplace transform of e raised to at is 1 by 1 divided by s minus a, and Laplace transform of e raised to minus at is 1 divided by s plus a. Therefore, Laplace transform of e raised to at is 1 divided by s minus a minus Laplace transform of e raised to minus at is 1 divided by s plus a, which is equal to 1 by s, take LCM here, s plus a minus of s minus a divided by s minus a s plus a, which is equal to 1 by 2 into s plus a minus s minus into minus plus a divided by, here minus a, s minus a, s plus a will be s square minus a square, which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus s plus s cancel, 2a divided by s square minus a square, here 2 get cancel, it will be a divided by s square minus a square. Therefore, Laplace transform of sin h at is equal to a divided by s square minus a square. Here also s is greater than a. See here, first we have to use the result of sin h at, which is equal to, here I will write the sin h at is equal to, result of sin h at is e raised to at minus e raised to minus at divided by 2. You have to remember this one. Here we have to use this result, that is Laplace transform of e raised to at minus e raised to minus at divided by 2. Then apply Laplace to this one, take 1 by 2 constant outside. Next we know that e raised to at Laplace transform from the second result. We know that Laplace transform of e raised to at is 1 divided by s minus a, and Laplace transform of e raised to minus at is 1 divided by s plus a, and take the LCM. Here s minus a into s plus a is s square minus a square, s get cancelled, it will be 2a divided by s square minus a square, 2 get cancelled, remaining is a divided by s square minus a square. Therefore, Laplace transform of sin h at is equal to a divided by s square minus a square. This is also one of the most important result, you have to remember this one. Next one is, we have to find Laplace transform of cos at, then Laplace transform of cos at is equal to, when we apply basic definition of Laplace transform, we get integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus st cos at dt. See here, cos at, here f of t value is cos at. When we apply Bernoulli's rule here, it will give solutions for every term. Here we have one standard formula, integration formula, that is integration of e raised to at cos bt is equal to e raised to at divided by a square plus b square a into cos bt plus b sin bt, which is the result of integration of e raised to at cos bt is equal to e raised to at divided by a square plus b square into a cos bt plus b sin bt. Here when we apply Bernoulli's rule here, we get some complication. To solve this easily, use this result, that is integration of e raised to at cos bt is equal to this one. Here a value is, see here, e raised to at, here e raised to minus s into t, here a value is minus s, and here cos at, here b value is a. Just replace the values, then it will be Laplace transform of cos at is equal to e raised to minus s into t divided by minus s whole square plus a square, b value is a here, then it will be a value is minus s cos a t plus a sin a into t. Then limits from, apply the limits here, it will be 0 to infinity. I will write clearly here once again, cos L of cos at is equal to e raised to minus st divided by minus s whole square is s square plus a square into minus s cos at plus a sin at, limits from 0 to infinity. Now see here, 1 divided by s square plus a square is constant. Take outside the limits, we get 1 divided by s square plus a square, remaining is e raised to minus st minus s into cos at plus a into sin at, limits from 0 to infinity. Now we have to apply the limits. Before applying limits, if you want to multiply this e raised to minus st to these two terms, otherwise keep as it is and apply the limits. Here I will multiply to clear calculation. We get, that is minus e raised to minus st cos at plus e raised to minus st sin a into t, limits from 0 to infinity. Next, 1 divided by s square plus a square. I have to apply limits here. First we have to apply upper limits. E raised to minus, as it is here, e raised to minus infinity value is 0. 0 into something is 0. 0 it will be. Then plus e raised to minus infinity value is again 0. 0 into something is 0. For upper limit this term is 0. Next minus, upper limit is over, next minus lower limit of, here minus it is, e raised to 0 is 1 here. E raised to minus s into 0 is e raised to 0 minus 1, cos 0 is 1. Next plus it will be e raised to 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Again it is 0. Here this is over, but see here e raised to minus st, here I am multiplying this one to this, e raised to minus st, minus of e raised to minus st into s into cos at. Here I forgot to write s, I will write here. Therefore it will be minus 1 into s. See, minus 1 into 1 into s plus 0. Therefore see, minus 0 plus 0, minus into minus plus s here. Therefore s divided by s square plus a square. Therefore Laplace transform of cos at value is s divided by s square plus a square. Okay. First thing is we have to know what is the integration of e raised to at cos bt, which is equal to e raised to at divided by a square plus b square into a cos bt plus b sin bt. Just apply this one here. Here a value is minus s, b value is a. Just replace the values, we get this one. After that here 1 by s square plus a square is constant, take outside. Next I will write the remaining term. After that I am multiplying e raised to minus st to both these terms separately. After that apply the limits. After applying limits we get minus 0 plus 0. This is for upper limit. Minus 1 into 1 into s plus 0. Therefore final answer is s divided by s square plus a square. Laplace transform of cos at is equal to s divided by s square plus a square. This is the formula here. Using this formula here, integration of e raised to at cos bt. Next one is Laplace transform of sin at. Similarly, means as similar as cos at, then Laplace transform of sin at is equal to, use basic definition of Laplace transform, we get e raised to minus st sin at dt. Now using the formula, integration formula, integration of e raised to at sin bt dt is equal to e raised to at divided by a square plus b square into a sin bt minus b cos bt. Okay, we have to use this result here. We get Laplace transform of sin at is equal to, use this integration result here. We get here a value is minus s and b value is a, e raised to minus s into t divided by minus s into minus s whole square plus a square into minus s sine 80 minus a cos 80. It is open bracket, close bracket, limits from 0 to infinity. Next is 1 divided by, it will be minus s whole square is s square. Take 1 divided by s square plus a square constant outside. Limits apply only for the terms e raised to minus st into minus sine 80 minus a cos 80, limits from 0 to infinity. Before applying limits, here I am multiplying this e raised to minus st to both these terms to avoid any confusion while applying these limits. Here minus s into e raised to minus st, remaining is sine 80 minus a into e raised to minus st cos 80, limits from 0 to infinity. Everything is over here. Next one is applying limits. 1 divided by s square plus a square. First applying upper limits, we get, take our bracket here, it is e raised to minus infinity value is 0. 0 into something is 0. It is minus means it is 0 only. 0 minus of e raised to infinity is again 0. Upper limit is over. Minus lower limit, minus s e raised to 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0 minus a as it is, e raised to 0 is 1 and cos 0 is 1. Here next 1 divided by s square plus a square. Here it is 0 minus 0, it is also 0, then minus into minus plus, this is into a. Final answer is a divided by s square plus a square. A divided by s square plus a square. Laplace transform of sine 80 is a divided by s square plus a square. Here also condition is where a is greater than 0. A is greater than 0. Similarly for cos also, here s is greater than 0. This results also you have to remember. Next class also we discuss some more Laplace transform of some elementary functions.